right, single star drop. So you're going to same side hook. And then you're going to thigh wrap twice. Now, if you need to know how to do these skills properly, go ahead and refer back to our videos on catcher's lock and thigh wrap. All right. You can cross your knees at the top when you get your thigh wraps on. You're going to keep tracing the fabric around the belly from the front to the back. Keep the fabric in that bottom hand. Grab underneath that knee if you can, bringing that top toe on the fabric. Be careful here. All right, when you are ready to go, you can let go of the top foot and that top hand. You're going to do a rotation around sideways and land in a banana. Okay. When you're ready to come up, grab the top fabric, release the bottom, and then unwind. This is your single star drop. All right, make sure you subscribe and we will see you soon.